ChatGPT4 just launched and everybody is talking about it. In this video, I'm going to walk through how you can use GPT-4 to make money without the sleaziness. Now, if you don't know the difference between GPT-3 and GPT-4, here is a quick overview. As a summary, it can create audio, video, images, and text compared to GPT-3 only doing text. It basically does more and much better, from coding to language translation, reasoning, analysis of data, creativity, and other stuff. It can also complete the bar exam like a boss, so you're technically dealing with a qualified lawyer without paying for it. At the moment, you can only access GPT-4 via the premium plan, but that is only $20 a month, and I think it is a solid deal. Now let's get into 3 exciting ways we can use GPT-4 to help us earn a side or full-time income. We can use GPT-4 to create websites. In the OpenAI demo video, they showed something insane. You draw a bad wireframe and ask GPT-4 to give you the code, and the result is a website. This blows my mind. Soon we'll be able to upload high fidelity Figma designs, and within a minute we have the code. To make it even more insane is we don't even need to design it ourselves. A detailed prompt in Midjourney like this gives us this high resolution landing page design, which we can then pass on to GPT-4 to get the code, and we can do this for every single page we are looking for. So this whole process will literally take less than 10 minutes, and we've got the making of an incredible website. Even if you don't want to go this route, we can just describe what we want like this. Give me the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code for a website. Here are the details. We just described that we want the header with the logo, hero section, column section, testimonials, and footer, and there we get the code. We can use GPT-4 to help us with SEO. SEO is an amazing way to generate an income, and GPT-4 makes it even easier to do this. Offer to write blog articles for clients focused on improving SEO. Head over to GPT-4, describe your client and what you want to do, and then let it guide you. Here's an example. I want to rank my client who is a dentist in London on Google. Which search terms should he rank for, and which blog articles should I write? Now we get the output. Then we can simply say, write X article focused on SEO. Then we can improve it even further by getting meta descriptions and advice on how to structure the headings as well, all within GPT-4. This is a great step in the right direction for SEO, and we can see how straightforward this process is. And next, we can use GPT-4 to make landing pages. A landing page is a dedicated page for a website with the intention to generate a desired action like a sale or a download. GPT-4 will not only be able to provide the content for this page, but also the images, videos, and the code. This will change the way that we build landing pages, and the quality of websites will be even better. Think about it. A landing page consists of a logo, content, maybe a video, and images. Now you have the tools to create an effective landing page within a few minutes. All we need is the clients, and I cover how to get clients in this video. But as a bonus, there's a 4th way you can make money with GPT-4. Consider building a SaaS. I have a SaaS called ClientManager to help freelancers and agencies onboard and manage their clients, and I would have loved to have ChatGPT-4 last year to help improve the output for the developers. Here's a quick example of what you can build. Amar created a game in less than 20 minutes without knowing JavaScript, and he walks through how he did it in this Twitter thread. Petro created a basic Pong game in 1 minute, and he walks through how he did it in this Twitter thread. Jake built his first Google Chrome extension in a few hours and also shares how he made it on Twitter. These are basic examples, but the point is, this is just the tip of the iceberg. You can build so many other games and tools when you integrate APIs, GitHub repos, and spend more time on. What I'm really excited about is when you can upload a website URL into GPT-4 and it will give you suggestions on how to improve it. This will be a massive opportunity for freelance web designers. When this is ready, I'll record a step-by-step video on how we can do this. But for now, here's the takeaway. Learn to use AI tools and adapt. Don't be found riding horses while everyone else is in self-driving cars. It's easier than ever to earn an income as a freelancer, so take advantage of this opportunity. If you like help in your freelancing journey, join my free community in the link below.